Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about functions in Shift. What are the functions, how we can create the function, what are the return types, and what are the special uh, things we are having in Shift functions. We are going to go through in this one. So now I am referring this website. It is a Shift official website, so you can go through this whole website. You have all the particular specifications. You need to learn from Shift functions, you can see here. So I just going to demonstrate whatever the function things over here. Okay, let's jump into the video. So first let me just create a normal function. Let's create a normal function over here. Normal function, the syntax of the function is fun normal function as like that, open bracket close bracket, and this whatever we are returning here, it will be executed when we are calling the function. Calling the function is nothing but you have to call the function with the name normal function with this open and close bracket. Okay, this is the syntax to call the function. So now when we don't have anything inside the function, we just print something inside a function. We don't need this. I'll explain this one later. So the model of the car is 7. I just explained that, and now I am running this one command. So you can see here it is printing like the model of the car is 7. The previous one is printed from here, so I just come on this one. Now I am running this. So the normal function is called, the function is calling the, so that this is executing and printing. This is normal function in Shift. So now next we are going to see how to pass parameters, how to create parameters in the function. So from this normal function we can add parameters. Parameters is like you can send some values from outside of the function to this function through the calling, through while calling. So the syntax to call is you have to first place the object like person and the type int. Okay, then count is the object and int. This is a parameter of a project. So how we are going to call this parameter with the function is this one, the same like name, but instead of two bracket open bracket close bracket, we have to give the value inside the close bracket. We have to call this name and this one. Okay, so 3 4. Now we have a 3 4. Let's get started with person plus count. So add the numbers. So I'm adding the numbers, so it will print this one, the person plus count. Okay, let's run this one, and 3 plus 4 is like, okay, okay, it's running. Okay, the person plus this one. Okay, instead of that slash I put this slash. Okay, yeah, now you can see here the count is 7. 4 plus 4, 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, so we are getting the number as 4 plus 3. So this is a parameter, how we are sending the parameter. So this is a data type, whatever the data type. Now if I send string means I have to give the input as string, input as string. So I can't add this actually. This is not a addable one, so I can do this one separately and that one separately. Okay, this is person. Okay, so now if when I am running this, it will write welcome 4. So this is called, we are sending a parameter, whatever the parameter, you can do that. So let's go to, we can label the actually we can label the parameter as well. Label means So this one I am giving the label for this is um, 2. Okay, so when I am calling, it is for understanding. It is not a basic important thing, but it is for understanding. When you are calling this for what purpose? Welcome. So 2 5. Okay, when I am giving this, the same thing, instead of the variable name we can give label and this one. So for omitting the label we can do this one. So this is for omitting. Without any labels you can get that one. Without any label you can get that one. Okay, without any label you just give any value to it, and you can make them print. So 2 2 5. Okay, so if when I'm running this, it will be the same thing. uh, now let's see, here's 41 and 42. So this one is this one, and a default value, you can give default value for particular thing. So it's like you can give 0. So the thing is, you can avoid the parameter. You can avoid the parameter. I already gave default value, so you can give avoid the parameter. I have a 2 parameter here, but I am giving sending only one because I already gave default value 0. When I am running this, it will give the same value like y0. But you can give value also. You can give the value like 7. When you are giving like this, it will print 7. It won't give the default value. So this is the default value function. Another one important keyword, it's like inout keyword. So inout keyword is like you have to create one variable where I just create where, not this one, this one, where age is equal to like this. So after creating where, inout is a keyword. It's like when if you are passing one variable inside the function, and if you change the value, it will affect the outside variable. When I sending like age is to inout, then int. Okay, so I am going to pass the same age variable over here. Okay, age I already passed. Okay, age, then and age. So when you are placing inout, you have to place and before that. Okay, let's try to run now. Okay, this one. Okay, but I am going to show the difference. So the age is 10. I'm going to change the age. Age is equal to 12. Then I am not going to print anything here. After this function, I am going to print the age is dash. Okay, age is age. Okay, age is age. Now I am printing. So the age is 12. So the actual value is 10. Inside the function we are changing 12, but this is outside the function. I am calling the age. This variable value will be changed. That is inout. It will go inside and the value will come outside if anything changes inside. So this is a good one in the parameter side. Okay, so let's continue in the next video. We have some more kind of return types and parameter in, parameter out, function as a parameter, function as a return type. Those are all we'll cover in a second part. Hope you will see this one and like this video, and if anything I missed, just ping me in comment. Let will be I also learned from you. Yeah, thank you.